Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix if your command prompt is popping up automatically on your desktop screen. So how to fix this problem in this video, now we will learn this guys. Okay, so for this guys, you don't need to do any extra hard work. Just follow this easy and simple method. So when you are facing this type of problem, first, if your command prompt is open, you need to close it and restart your PC or your laptop, whatever you are using. Just restart it one. After restarting, now let's see your problem was solved or not. In case still you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to open the task manager on your PC. To open the task manager, use the shortcut key, hold control key, shift key button at a time and then press escape from your keyboard. It will open the task manager. In the task manager, open the startup tab and search the command prompt. If the command prompt is showing here, just right click on it and just you need to disable it from here. Okay, after doing this guys, close the task manager. Now let's see your problem was solved or not. In case still you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to scan your PC for the virus. To scan your PC, open your Windows settings like this. In the Windows settings, go to privacy and security option. You can get Windows security. Just click and open it. From here, you can easily able to scan your PC for the virus. Okay, with the help of Windows security. So after doing this, guys, now let's see your problem was solved or not. In case still you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to update your PC. To update the PC, in the Windows settings, go to Windows Update. From here you can easily able to update the PC. After updating, it will fix your problem 100%. So these are the easy and simple method to fix your problem. So that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.